Kuringana na murugamiriri wa thukuru uyu wa muthingi wa Kisir niwe Onchaya, mabati maya maria mambukite ni kumana na ruhuho runene ruria rutigite arutani magithinika kuona matiri na handu ha kurutira wira.
On Sunday morning we woke up to find the roof of the staff room, the head teacher's office and the ICT class completely blown off, and it was lying on the ground.
Thegia ya thukuru uyu gutungwo ni mutino uyu, murugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ugite gutire mundu waguraririo hindi ya mutino ucio uria wahanikire muthi wa kiumia.
The children were not at school, and even the children, the teachers, because usually outside here is where the children stay, play, and the teachers do their marking.
Josephito pia ugite okoretwo uri undu muritu hari arutani kuona matirahota gutangikira arutwo uria kwagirire.
The government should make arrangements to assist this school, because we have got the strong winds which blow from this direction towards this end.
My teachers have a problem of marking books, especially when it has just started raining, because today very many books are here, the exercise books and the textbooks, files for the teachers and files for the progress report for the children. They are almost now all in one of the class, congested there, making a congestion. And today teachers are outside marking the books, and it is really giving a very hard time for marking these books.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Geto Waithira wa Kihara.